I think there's probably more than 8, but am I willing to say there are definitely more than 8?
No.
I'm not sure that I am.
Yeah.
What's maybe a lower number? Like, you know what? So 2, do we think there's definitely more than 2?
Yeah.
How about 3? Do you think there's definitely more than 4?
Yeah.
How about 5?
Yeah.
Do we think there's definitely more than 6?
Yeah.
Definitely more than 7?
Yeah.
Definitely more than 8?
Yeah.
We're still willing to go with 8? How about 10? Well, do we think there's definitely more than 10?
Maybe.
Sounds like 10 is the number that we're gonna. So let's put 10 over here. So 10 on that left side of my number line. That's the lowest. We don't think the number inside is going to be below 10. We're almost positive. What about too high? What's a number that there's definitely like a million? There's definitely not a million in there. Is there a million? Is a million too high?
Yeah.
Yes.
No.
But how brave can we be? What's a number that we can say that there are definitely not that many, but it's not a million either. And it's a braver number. It's a braver estimate than that. What do you think? 17. Does anybody think that there are more than 17? What are you thinking? 100. Are we willing to go with a number less than 100 as a number that there's definitely not that many?
20.
20.
Yeah.
So are we thinking there is definitely not 20? Are you okay with that number?
Yeah.
Do we think that there could be 20 in there? 20 of those squares? Maybe? So it sounds like we're not willing to go lower than 20.
What about
How about 30?
No, they can't be 20. It has to be an even number. 25.
So here it has to be an even number. I wonder.
Oh.
Does it? Yes, thank you so much for raising your hand and patiently waiting.
I feel like I know how to solve this. Just put that little piece, just imagine it in the wrapper, and 3 rows, like 3 in one row, 3 in another row, one going.
You are going to get a chance to figure that out in just a moment. 20?
Yeah. 20.
20? 20 is too high.
20.
We think that there is not 20 in there. Okay. Let's go with 20. Let's put 20 on the other side. So, when you make your guess as to how many are actually in there, what does it need to be between?
20 and 10.
10 and 20. Does it need to be right smack in the middle between 10 and 20? No. It doesn't have to be right there in the middle. But it needs to be, you don't want to now make your guess and say, oh, Rockwell, I think there's 25. Wait a second. We just all kind of decided that there's definitely not more than 20. Right, so your estimate should be somewhere here on your number line. Right, and if I think that there's 12, should that be a little closer to the 10 or a little closer to the 20?
10.
Right, so put your estimate on that number line. How many do you think there are in that full package? Put it on the number line about where it should go.
It's multiples of 3.
Got it? Go ahead and do that now for me, please.
It's multiples of 3, so I guess it wouldn't have to be even, but 20 is a multiple of 3. Yeah, so it's multiple of 3. Yeah, I know. I'm going 16. Well, that's not very well. What's that? Hey, that lonely piece of chocolate gave me a light in the end of the tunnel. I'm going to. I'm sorry. I'm gonna go for 18.
Okay.
To add that to your number line.
It looks like just about everybody has. You have yours
Wait, is
down?
18? Yes.
Yeah. Go ahead and put your number down on the number line, please. And so it's 14. Oh, I'm sorry. And yours is? Got it. You've got one. Everybody have a prediction? Give me a thumbs up if my number's on my number line. Thumbs sideways if I need a little more time. Looks like everybody's ready. Okay, so we are now ready for Act 2. Act 2 is going to give us a little bit more information. So some people were noticing some of this information information down here. Right? So there's some of this information can help us to figure out how many of those squares there are. Let's see what they've decided to give us as information. Act 2. Oh, there's a video camera. It's usually just.
Oh, never mind. Wait, the chocolate's closer.
Alright, here comes Act 2.
Oh. It's open.
Oh, it's going to show us the back only.
Well, it's not really showing
Flip it over, flip it over.
Oh, I thought he was going to flip it over.
Come on, man! Give us something!
Alright. Does that help us?
Yes. Not really.
Yes.
It might help
Wait.
us a little bit.
Yes,
It might help us a little bit.
Now the tiny square doesn't go to that package.
24, 26. Does anybody feel like I want to come up there and like?
Yeah. Yes.
Can we?
Yes.
Yeah. I do.
So just be careful of this. But if you want to come up here and kind of do some scooching around.
12 times 3 is 36.
Okay, and so I'm hearing people say some multiplication sentences. Just make sure that you write those down as well. Let's see. How can I Hey, let me have everybody return to your
Ben.
seats. Everybody return to your seats. Everybody return to your seats. Everybody return to your seats. Here's what we're going to do. Here's how we're going to do it. I have a volunteer that could kind of come up and do this so that everybody can kind of watch it happen. A volunteer to do this. Yes, you can come up. Okay. So I think if you stand over here, there you go. So let's watch what she's doing. Counting in there. You're thinking 24.
I thought 21.
You did the size. Go ahead, take a seat.
I thought 21.
Yes.
I thought 8.
Yes.
But I
Let's have someone else.
counted 21.
Let's watch. So watch. So I should be thinking multiplication right now. You're thinking how many times would I need to have that little piece on the bigger piece? You think it's 3 times of 5. Okay. Yes. Sure, we can have one more person do it. I wonder what this picture is. This first of the whole picture. You were thinking 6 times 8? So it seems like people were kind of wanting to do this, and we're thinking that there might be 3 in a row.
Yeah.
Could there be only 2 of them in a row?
Yes.
Maybe. Could there be 4 of them in a row?
No.
You feel like there's 4?
It'd be really tight
So
though.
4, and then how many rows, right? So what would that form? Right, if we had 3 in a row, and then we had this, what do we call this? Anybody know what we call this? Yeah, good job. So we call this an array. So I'm trying to picture that array of chocolate in my brain, and then we can represent that with multiplication. Right, so that's going to be 3 groups of 5, or maybe 3 groups, or 8 groups of 3, or maybe even 6 groups of 8, or 5 groups of 3. I'm going to see what this picture says. Let's take a look at this picture. Sometimes they'll give us a little bit more information. Oh. So I don't think that's the whole thing.
That's probably not.
But they've given us some more information. Oh. Hey, you don't have to whisper. You can actually just have a conversation. Go ahead and talk to each other. What do you think? What do you think? What is your mathematical thinking?
But if you can put them together. 3 times 6.
Are you tuned in? Are you looking at the new information? Did you look at the new information? And are you sharing your thoughts with your partner?
Put them on top of there. You can do one, then you could do 2 rows. So you could do 2 rows, but then we'll be adding 9 more. No, you can do 2.
Are you guys all in agreement, or do you have different ideas?
I'm a follower.
Nice job. You're officially social media. Everybody likes stuff.
You know everybody can see like both sides because you added to
So does anybody thought, got it, I know how many there are now. And here's how I figured it out. We're still working on it? We're still not so sure?
I have a half answer.
We have a half answer?
I mean, it's not a fraction, but I'm half pretty sure, but then I'm half not
Half
sure.
pretty sure?
I think
They're not asking for a fraction, they're asking how many small squares are in the big bar. Oh, yes.
that 6 equals maybe like 1 row-ish.
That equals
What do you think?
18.
And why would you say 18?
Because I noticed like that long 6 square length
Uh-huh.
of chocolate
Right.
goes into a third of the bar.
Ah,
And then I added all the rest. That equals 6. And that's 2/3 of it. So 6, 12, 18.
Yay, we got it right.
did you?
Yeah.
Yes.
I guessed 18.
I don't know. Yes.
What could you write to show your thinking that you've confirmed your estimate?
Okay.
I think it's pretty hard. 2 and 3 looks like it's a full line. It doesn't look like it's been broken. So that would equal half of the full chocolate bar. And then if you put the 2 squares and the 3 squares together, it would equal 5/6 of the one in the middle, and then you add the one to the that one to the 5/6, and it would equal a whole bar.
Oh, I see what you're saying. So you're saying that this actually is a whole bar here? So here, this would be half of it, and then the other half is here. Kind of these 2, these 1, 2, 3, and then these 2, and then this last one. Okay. Good job, boys and girls.
What's the answer?
What, you want to know the answer?
Yeah.
Honestly, I'm intrigued by now.
What's the answer? What's Act 1? That's Act 1.
That's like 3.
I know.
Same cover.
Come on, person. Oh, great giant with huge hands. Oh, great overlord. He's what?
But I don't know. I can't decide. I don't know if it's 12 or 18. No!
Yeah! Yes, 18!
18 all the way.
It's 18? Yeah.
So how did we know once they turned it over that it was 18? How did we know once they turned it over that it was 18? Yes.
Because there's 6 on one side and 3 on the other side, and 6 times 3 equals 20.
All right, so this, boys and girls,
Otis was sharing.
so this is an array. Right, so we have 6 here. So how many are here in the middle row?
6,
And how many are here in this row? So how many groups of 6 do we have?
3.
3 groups of 6. How else could I say that? How many do we have here?
3,
And how about here?
3,
And how about here?
3.
How many times did you just say 3?
6.
6 times 3. 6 groups of 3. 3 groups of 6. Same thing, same thing. Yes.
It's just like 6 plus 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 6 is 18.
Yes. You are exactly correct. So, 18. There you go. And so, your prediction in the beginning, you don't get to win anything if you got it correct in that beginning. Oh man, I got it right. Oh, cool. You know, great. Give yourself a pat on the back. It's that kind of math that we're doing to figure out how many there actually are. And you all won. You all did a great job. Thank you very much. What's that? Oh,
Shredder time.
Recycle those.
I'm going to give myself